Good morning. Hey guys, Anthony Delmedico, SVG, down here in the French Quarter, New Orleans. Starting to open up. Here visiting with John Hoteling. Some folks on the ground here. We're gonna take a serious evaluation of NOLA for our event, the annual Win the Storm Conference and Trade Show Expo. I know we did a boat last week, had a lot of different opinions on where it should be. We like to move it around, guys, different parts of the country. You know, part of the reason we do this, people can experience different cities, different flavors. Now, John did put a good hustle factor on me. Three-wayed me with the Lieutenant Governor, I guess in charge of tourism here. Said they'd throw in a lot of kudos, support if we select here. So I'm going to do a walkthrough here today at the convention center, and if it meets the floor plan and the space that we're looking for, I might go ahead and pull the trigger here. Here you can see they're still kind of locked down. A lot of these businesses are starting to open. Little stores. Obviously by February this thing's gonna be wide open. Kind of cool to be here when nobody's here. But restaurants are open, hotels are open. I think they're at 50% occupancy. So it's starting to open up. But yeah, guys, this year we're gonna do something new we haven't done before. We're gonna be teaming up with some of the largest organizations dealing with associations that have, that deal with facility managers, asset managers, REITS, commercial building owners. And we're adding a whole nother layer to the Win the Storm conference, which is about educating the building owners, the commercial building owners, and those that represent them on the entire insurance restoration process. Storms is a big part of it, but also this last year with the pandemic, we've had hundreds of thousands of small business owners dealing with business interruption insurance, riots, vandalism, some covered by insurance, some not, but how to prepare for those kind of disasters. It's all a storm to me, whether it's a hurricane, a hailstorm, a windstorm, a flood, a riot, arson, or even something like the virus pandemic itself. I mean, it's all a storm. So we say win the storm. It's not just about roofs and hail and hurricanes. It is for a lot of you guys, but for a lot of these business owners that are suffering, a lot of them right here in the street, they're dealing with a storm of the virus pandemic. They're dealing with a storm of the unconstitutional lockdown of America. And there's a whole series of issues that go with that and how to prepare for it. Hopefully never have to do it again in the future. But how to, business interruption insurance, disaster preparation. So we're going to add a whole new echelon of classes and breakout sessions and really go after this market segment. So for the first time, it's not just going to be contractors, public adjusters, and attorneys. Your customers are coming, the biggest customers in America. John's getting behind this. He's got clients, some very large ones that are dealing with the BI insurance right now. But all you guys have customers. You can invite some of your big customers to this thing. We're going to do a huge marketing campaign. We're going to get it accredited on that Wednesday. So John and some folks teaching various aspects of insurance education or facility management, these property managers can actually get accredited for whatever their licensure is, for their type of licenses. So we're excited.